Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make base-free chicken tikka di piazza from scratch. This blend of gently caramelised and chunky charred onions in a medium heat sauce is suitable for most taste buds. A full list of all the ingredients for the dish can be found in the description below. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video, and click that notification bell. Thanks. If you're using raw meat, follow the written instructions below. A big thanks once again to Brian Todd for testing whilst I had no taste and smell due to COVID. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil on high until smoking. Then add the large petals of onion. Fry, stirring frequently until charred. Then remove to a dish for later. Turn the pan down to low and add the remaining oil and finely chopped onion. Fry, stirring frequently for a couple of minutes, then add the remaining salt and methi. Cook until the onions soften and begin to caramelise. This can take 5 to 6 minutes. Take your time with this. You want them to gently brown, sweeten and caramelise, not burn. Add in the garlic and ginger paste, stir through and fry out for 30 to 60 seconds until the strong smell disappears. Now for the spices. Serve with the spice mix, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, chili powder, and a small amount of water if required. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes until the oil starts to separate. Stir in the tomato paste watered down with around 5 tablespoons of water along with the sugar and continue to cook for around 30 seconds. If you're using raw meat, it's time to add it now. Coat well in the spices and allow to start to brown for a few minutes. If you are using pre-cooked meat or raw prawns, wait and we'll add them later on. Turn up the heat to high and add the sliced chilies, the fresh chopped coriander and half the boiling hot water. Cook until reduced by half before adding the remaining water. Time for the cooked meat or prawns to go in. I'm adding my pre-cooked yogurt-free tikka, the recipe which is popping up now. Give it a good stir to coat in the sauce to ensure it doesn't dry out. Finally, add back the charred petals of onion, stir through and reduce. I prefer my di piazza to have a fairly thick sauce, but you can reduce less or add little more water if you like yours with more sauce. Serve sprinkled with a little freshly chopped coriander and some sliced red onion rings. Please remember to like and subscribe and check out this and my other recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.